Your bank account gets blocked. Your loan gets rejected. No explanation, no human. Just one message. AI decision. So the real question is, are banks automating trust or automating risk? Hi, I'm Leena, an IT professional with over 24 years of experience across FinTech, online recruitment, e-commerce, working as a QA and test manager, PMO, FinTech L1 Support Manager, and communications manager. And fun fact, I was Aakash's classmate back in 6th class in Karnal, India.
I'm Aakash Singh Tahlan, an IT and FinTech professional working as a QA and test manager with PMO experience, closely involved in how banking and risk systems are actually built and tested.
Aakash, people think AI in banking is future talk. Where is it already making decisions today?
AI is already deciding who gets credit, who gets flagged for fraud, and whose account gets frozen. These aren't suggestions anymore. They're automated decisions.
If AI is so advanced, why are false blocks increasing?
Because AI understands patterns, not context. It's great at catching known risks, but terrible with edge cases. And in banking, edge cases are real people.
People assume automation removes bias, does it?
No, automation scales bias. If historical data is flawed, AI just learns it faster and applies it wider. The bias doesn't disappear. It hides.
When AI makes a wrong call, who is accountable?
That's the biggest risk. There's no clear appeal path. Human decision makers are replaced, but responsibility isn't reassigned.
So are banks prioritizing efficiency over trust?
Efficiency looks great on dashboards, but trust is built in conversations. And AI doesn't have conversations. It has thresholds.
What happens next?
More regulation, more explainability requirements, and eventually, humans back in the loop, because fully automated trust doesn't exist. If AI decides your money, you deserve to know why. Otherwise, it's not innovation, it's unchecked power.
Stay informed. Stay curious. Subscribe for more real conversations on technology and banking.